My name is Lexanne Weghorn, and I am a senior at the University of Wisconsin-La Crosse. I spent my summer participating in a virtual research experience for undergraduates through Michigan State University. I worked in close collaboration with the Algorithms for Learning and Physics Applications, or ALPHA, group at Davidson College during the summer, and I am deeply grateful for all the help I received from everyone at both MSU and Davidson College. I worked with data collected by the Active Target Time Projection Chamber, or ATTPC, at FRIB at MSU. Specifically, I worked with data from an experiment attempting to constrain the magnesium-22 alpha proton reaction rate, which is important in the study of type 1 X-ray bursts. The ATTPC is a meter-long gas-filled chamber with a detector pad at one end. The beam can react with the gas, and the charged particles from the reaction leave an ionization trail of electrons which, due to the electric field within the chamber, travel to the detector pad. The time at which the electrons reach the detector can be used along with the XY coordinates of where on the detector the electrons were detected to reconstruct a 3D image of the path taken by scattered particles from the reaction. My goals for the summer were to prepare simulated ATTPC data for use in neural networks, and then to construct neural networks to determine the number of scattered particles per reaction event. I started by working with XY projections of the data, but also developed the framework for use with other projections. Each event in my data showed either just the beam within the chamber, which was considered to be one track, or both the beam and a single scattering event, which was considered two tracks. The goal was to train the neural networks to determine whether one or two tracks was visible in each image. Both fully connected neural networks, or FCNNs, and convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, were explored. Both types of neural networks are based upon a series of hidden layers with adjustable parameters followed by a nonlinear activation function, all with the intention of receiving and transforming input values. CNNs have an additional layer known as a convolutional layer. This project utilized the pre-trained VGG16 model as a convolutional layer. It was found that both the FCNN and the CNN designed to work with the data produced highly satisfactory results, with the FCNN performing as good as or better than the CNN in every metric. The next steps of this project are to train the neural networks on different projections of the simulated data, and then to use the developed neural networks to analyze the experimental data. Again, I'd like to thank Michigan State University and the Alpha Group at Davidson College for all of their help and patience this summer. I would also like to thank the National Science Foundation for supporting this work through the Research Experience for Undergraduates program. Thank you.